My name is Midshipman 3rd Class Shepard Lewis.
And I'm 3rd Class Mark Vettery.
And we will be demonstrating our project. It's called the automatic soda dispenser. The premise of this project is to fill a cup full of carbonated beverage. As you turn on the circuit, the carbonated beverage flows through the tube, which is connected to the solenoid valve. As the cup rises full of the carbonated beverage, it starts to foam towards the edge, the brim of the cup. The sensor now detects this foam and it knows to shut off the valve. When that valve shuts off, it knows that it's ready to drink.
So for our circuit, what we did, we used a potentiometer, op-amp, and then we connected that to MOSFET and an infrared range sensor. So what we did was we used the signal from the infrared rangefinder and used that for the input in the op-amp, and we started with a voltage of around 5 volts and used the op-amp to increase the voltage to around 10 volts. And that was what we found worked well with our solenoid valve.
As for the build design, we have attached a solenoid valve to the top of the frame. Below the nose of the solenoid valve, we have attached an infrared range sensor. Under the infrared range sensor, we have a placeholder for the red cup.
So, on to the demonstration.
As you can see, in this demonstration we're using water instead of soda. The water is gravity fed through the tube and goes into the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve starts open, which means when we turn on the switch, the solenoid valve is open so that the water can flow through. The infrared range sensor then senses the height of the water inside the cup and sends the voltage back to the solenoid valve. Once the water reaches the desired height, the solenoid valve shuts off, as you can see right here. Once this is done, you can enjoy your drink.
So for challenges we faced, we actually found that once the first time we put soda through our contraption, that the infrared range sensor did not sense the liquid. So when the foam reached the height to shut off the valve didn't shut off, so we actually ended up with a pretty big mess. But we did figure out something to solve this problem.
A solution that we can use is that while we can put an object in the cup while it's being poured, the sensor will read that object and it will cut off the valve, plain and simple. So for example, if we have a drink, we can put maybe a cherry or a slice of lemon, and that's an object that the sensor will read, so that will shut off the valve. So that concludes our project for today. I hope you enjoyed everything. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.